Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about 115V-B1219804 motor for TriStar part number 1219804. The 115V-B1219804 motor for Baker's Pride part number 1219804 is a replacement motor for Baker's Pride ovens. This motor is designed to replace the original motor in the oven and is rated at 115 volts and 1/2 horsepower. It has a rotation of reversible and comes with a built-in thermal overload protection. The motor also features a shaft diameter of 5/8 inch, 2 mounting holes, and 2 wire leads. This motor is designed to fit all Baker's Pride ovens and can be used as a direct replacement for the original motor. This part fixes the following symptoms. This motor is used to replace the existing motor in a Baker's Pride oven. It is designed to help the oven run more efficiently and reliably. Here is how you install this part. 1. Make sure the power source is off before beginning installation. 2. Mount the motor to the appropriate mounting bracket and secure with screws. 3. Connect the power supply wires to the motor terminals according to the wiring diagram provided with the motor. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. 4. Connect the ground wire to a suitable ground point on the frame of the oven or other equipment being used with this motor. 5. Test for proper operation by turning on power and checking for smooth operation of the motor and its associated component. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.